Are you running ads for your business? Do you wish you had better reporting on the success or failure of your ads? In this video, we're going to show you 4 HubSpot reports to take your ads reporting to the next level. Hey, you know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com bringing you yet another HubSpot educational video. If you're a sales, marketing, or service professional looking to learn more about HubSpot and inbound strategies to help your business grow, then you're in the right spot. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning more and use the comment section below to ask us all the inbound and HubSpot questions that you may have. Now, let's go ahead and get into the good stuff. So in HubSpot, you have the ability to build custom reports as well as there are pre-built reports waiting for you to click, add, and view your ads data. HubSpot has 4 great ad reports that we're going to talk about today to get you going. So let's dive in and show you what those ad reports are. Ad report number 1 is ad impressions by social network. Have you ever wondered how many impressions are my ads getting over time? Then this ad report will help you see the number of impressions generated by your ads over time. Impressions help you understand how many times your ads are viewed by your potential prospects, leads, and customers. Impressions are calculated by the ad's social networks. Ad report number 2, ad clicks by social network. Maybe you're laying in bed at night and asking yourself the question, how many clicks are my ads getting over time? No worries, with this ad clicks by social report, you can see the number of clicks generated by your ads over time. Clicks help you understand the volume of interactions your ads are creating. And of course, these clicks are calculated by the ad's social networks. I'm sure that you're kind of seeing a pattern here. HubSpot ad report number 3, ad campaigns with cost per click. Are you wondering which of your ad campaigns have the highest and lowest cost per click? Then use the HubSpot ads tool and this report to see which ad campaigns are costing you the most or least per click. This will help you improve how you budget or target your ads in the future. And of course, that brings us to ad report number 4, ad campaigns with cost per contact. Everyone running ads at one point in time has asked themselves which of my ad campaigns have the highest and lowest cost per new contact. Well, at least they should probably ask that question. Now you can easily see which ad campaigns are costing you the most or least per contact. This will help you improve how you budget or target your ads. And you should know contacts are visitors who clicked on an ad, then filled out a form in the same website session. You know, you gotta know that technical stuff along the way. Now, let's be honest with each other. There are more ad reports in HubSpot waiting for you to check out, but these are 4 that we thought you should really know about. Also, don't forget that you can create custom reports and go hog wild till your heart's content with analyzing your data and making smart decisions moving forward. You do want to make smart decisions with your ads moving forward, right? Need help with your ads? Then let us know. Hey, did you like this video? Then head over to SprocketTalk.com for more actionable and tactical HubSpot user resources. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell as well for those instant notifications and so we know that you're part of the Sprocket Talk community. Until next time we meet, probably in the next video, make sure you're focused on being a happy, helpful, humble human. And as always, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.